forensics report to come back, and he's homeless.
Right.
So my concern is I want to see him stable and medicated, and I think he does as well. If we can fashion something in that manner, the problem is I don't have a bed for him right now.
The sovereign citizen.
All right, Mr. Monroe, can you hear me all right?
Yes,
All right, you're currently scheduled for an exam next week.
the 28th.
Yep. So we're leaving that date as is. You have your attorney, if he contacts you, you can suggest he contact the prosecutor.
Oh, Judge,
Okay.
next week, yep, it's at 10 a.m.
10 a.m. next Tuesday.
Yeah, yeah.
That's in person?
That's in person. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good luck.
It's already scheduled for that, so.
Can I get rid of this observer for Spencer, seeing as how we're done with the file?
They're in the breakout room right now. Wayne County Judge just jumped on, I guess, a little bit ago.
No, I think Spence, isn't Spence the one I just sentenced?
That was Gibson.
Oh, Gibson.
Can you hear Monroe? File? Yeah, Aiken is adjourned to next week, 8:30, it'll be by Zoom.
We're doing pretty good on the peer plate today.
Because he's. Yes, pre-con. Yeah,
We had
8:30.
8:30.
Yes. So,
All right, I am done with you guys then.
whatever, Jacob.
We're done with you.
Especially setting exams at 2 p.m.
So,
Don't want me to get home.
Huh?
Don't want me to get home, I guess.
You just might have to just have dinner late and then go home later.
So,
Yeah.
all right. Yeah, that's it.
So, Leanne Silius emailed me and said that our camera.
Yeah, I'm just looking at that. I just pulled up the comments today.
Yeah, and it's on single vision, but I don't know how to change that. Well, it looks like we're ready on Spence.
We could ask,
All right, thank you.
Oh, she AI'd it. She's got me the whole list.
we could get Fred up here.
You as well. Are we ready on Spence?
We are, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We're waiting for the jail to come out or what?
Judge, I brought him out. He's in the main session, but I don't know if he's muted himself there.
For some reason, we don't have the camera on.
It was on earlier.
See it?
Yeah, I see that it's off.
I wonder if it's connected to the mute.
There we go.
There we go. There we go. Mr. Spence, can you hear me all right?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right, awesome. Counsel, your appearance?
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning. Tim QNP 64917 appearing today on behalf of Mr. Spence. Mr. Spence, can you tell the judge your name, please?
My name is Jonathan Spence.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we're here today, first of all, to deal with the competency issue. This matter was referred for a forensic exam back on April 14th.
Yep.
Judge, my intention on April 14th was to resolve the case and to get Mr. Spence out of jail. However, we had some issues at that pretrial date, which culminated with Judge Patton requesting a forensic. I did not stand against that. We had some difficulty with communication and some other issues. That said, in the times I have met with Mr. Spence since, he's been clear-headed, he's been coherent, he's been medicated, and he's been great. So the report, Your Honor, indicates that the defendant's competent for trial. We would absolutely not stand against that. I agree with it.
All right. Counsel, who's the prosecutor on this one?
This is Mr. Muhammad.
Okay. Yeah, I need to find out if we can sentence today or not. So, Mr. Spence, my understanding is that you're going to plead guilty to count 1, aggravated assault, and count 2, domestic violence would be dismissed. Is that your understanding of the arrangement?
Judge,
Yes,
if I may quickly
understand.
jump in, and I apologize, that was going to be no contest to the
Oh, I'm
count.
sorry. I knew that. I knew that.
Okay.
You understand that, Mr. Spence? You're pleading no contest to count one, count two is dismissed?
Yes.
You understand when you say no contest, quite literally what you're saying is, Judge, I'm not fighting that charge of aggravated assault. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. If I can find a factual basis to accept the plea, then from that point forward, it's just like a guilty plea. We're going to have a sentencing. You understand all that?
Yes.
Do you understand your rights and the options those rights give you after discussing those with Mr. Q1?
Yes.
Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily to count one today?
Yes.
All right. I did read the incident report. I do find the facts that support a plea of no contest to the aggravated assault charge. Counsel, I just want to hear from Mr. Mohammed whether or not we can sentence today based on his
And I
conversations with the
appreciate that,
complainant.
Judge, and I've got some input on this.
Okay.
I honestly, I've not been happy with how this case has played out from the perspective that I did not want to see Mr. Spence sitting in jail for this amount of time. Quite frankly, that's not at all ideal. The
No.
problem with Mr. Spence is we've been waiting. His mother is available. I've spoken with her at length. She's on the Zoom right now. We've talked about another family member maybe helping out with that, but
Okay.
that's relying upon somebody else. He's aware of
Okay.
what he has to do going forward. So
All right. Mr. Mohammed, have you had enough contact with the complainant to know whether or not we can sentence today, or should we set this out for a victim's impact statement?
Yes, Judge, I did make contact with the victim today. However, the only reason I'm slightly hesitant is because I did advise him that he has the ability to make an impact statement on the date of sentencing. I
Okay.
trust Your Honor could make the sentencing today, and I trust your judgment as to sentencing. But the only concern for me is whether or not the complaining witness is going to want to make a impact statement.
Is there any chance you could get a hold of that person right now and see if we can get them on Zoom? Or
There
even
is a
conference call?
possibility of that, yes. I
All right,
will.
why don't we do this? Mr. Keewan, let's pass on this just for a minute to see if we can get all the parties around today so we can sentence.
I appreciate you, Your Honor. Thank you. No
All right.
worries.
Mr. Spence, just hang tight. We're gonna see if we can't wrap this up today.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. I got me up here on camera.
And you
Oh, I don't know.
everybody in the Zoom. Now,
Yeah, I'm here. The comments are having a full-blown chip conversation. I wonder where this jury trial was they're watching.
Oh, yeah.
you do what you want.
Good job, court mom.
Get it to the judge.
So I talked to you, yesterday afternoon.
Told me yesterday this is what I have some certain people when we go, then their blood just gets reducing what it was out. I didn't see many people, I think, well, I should, because you might block cells or when someone follows them. I never forget. Some people just get their body is pushed. Oh, my question. Well, that's my concern. Not I just
Hey, Heather.
hope everybody thinks it's true, but it may not be.
She just stepped out of the courtroom. What's up?
Do you guys have Brown, Alex Brown, the white folder up there file?
Maybe. Let me look. One of the scheduled files today, you mean?
Yes, for arraignments.
No, we don't have any arraignment files up here.
No? Okay. Thank you.
Not in the courtroom, at least.
Okay.
I got a formal hearing.
Oh, yeah, 4 formal here.
Yep. I got 4 more white files in formal.
Yes. Thank you.
Whitney was trying to talk to you because she's looking for a Brown arraignment file. Didn't they all go down?
I got it, Whitney.
Whitney, I lied to you.
It was a late one, so I kept it.
Probably on her way up there to get it. Found it.
Whitney walked away from her desk, Judge, but I'll let her know Heather found the file.
Thank you. Appreciate
You're
it.
welcome.
Oh, so that's purple.
He said over to me.
Love these.
Mm-hmm.
You got purple on too.
Yeah.
It's a purple day. Joe, you didn't get the purple medal?
Yeah.
I don't have a whole purple in my arraignment file. Pink, I have a little. Yeah.
We were all, my sister's place on the lake Saturday. Stephen and Cheyenne went out to the West State for their anniversary, so we had the kids, and then the other family had the kids. We picked the kids up, taken them to my sister's for a little family reunion, and then Cheyenne and Stephen met us. Theo had pink swimsuit on, Evelyn had a pink swimsuit on, and Stephen showed up with a pink swimsuit.
No way.
I'm like, is this intentional? Just
That's what.
Okay, that's an ideal that have feet.
Oh, yeah.
you get all the victim?
Yeah, so if he's okay with just reading it into the record.
Oh, great.
Read it,
Perfect.
I know.
Yeah, I just gotta open it and kind of go.
Starts with an H. I know that.
Is it perfect?
Heather, they sent in a plea agreement on one of these formal hearings, but no body coming with it.
What?
It's not here what I'm saying. He could say exactly.
Keelan, we will be able to sentence today. I'm just waiting for the victim's impact statement that's coming by email.
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Leanne's comment, Joe. Wow, no purple. I know who's the good Joe and who's the bad Joe.
He's good. He didn't get you all.
He's in a.
He's dead.
Is another. In the jail, and they're not.
Okay, you go to bed. That's it. That's it. That's what see. That's her. Thanks. Is that what see? That's it. Is that what see? That's it.
Ask him if he knows how to himself. He thinks they put it until he needs to answer.
Yeah, Mr. Spence, can you mute until I give you the thumbs up? Thank you. All right, Mr. Spence, go ahead and unmute. Mr. 𝘾𝙤🥂, I do have a victim's impact statement that's been submitted. I don't really want to read it into the record. I'll make it part of the court file if that would satisfy you.
That would, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Go ahead. Your turn. What should I consider?
Judge, first of all, I would have you consider the fact that he has been incarcerated, I believe, since March 5th. So he has a number of days credit time served.
Yeah.
Your Honor, I would refer, quite frankly, to the report prepared for this matter, dated June 29th. It gives very good background, and I would concur with most of it. The defendant is schizophrenic. When he has been medicated, he's been functioning well in society. When he has not been medicated, he's had issues.
Right.
He has a history of being in and out of some mental facilities. Judge, he has had a car accident back in 2025. I know the report indicates that he did not have any closed head injuries as a result of that. In speaking with the defendant, though, I think that might not be the case. There might have been a closed head injury related to that. But all of that said, Judge, when he's medicated, he's great. And I've had multiple conversations with him. And so what I would ask for, Your Honor, is credit time served with the term of probation, not in terms of punishing him any further, but in terms of encouraging him to do better. He needs to be medicated. He needs a place to stay. I think with those two things, he'll be stable enough to actually become a productive member of society. He's got some college. He's done well in school. He's actually, he's clever, and speaking with him, he's got a good sense of humor. So I would hope that we could fashion something that would act as a step up for him, as opposed to some sort of punishment. But I'd ask for credit for time served, Judge, with a term of probation.
Yeah.
You know, to take into account all of those things.
I'm 100% on board with you. My problem is, what's that plan look like?
Exactly, Judge.
At this point, I want him out of jail, but I'm not sure I'm doing him any favors if I release him and he's just on the street.
What we have talked about at length, Your Honor, and I've spoken with him yesterday about this, is if we were resolving the matter today, that he might not be able to be released immediately, what we would try to do is get him a bed. With the case resolved, my hope is it'd be much easier. The problem is, Judge, he's not necessarily dual diagnosis. I don't see a drug or alcohol problem. It's a straight mental problem and a homeless issue. I had not had any conversation with his family until today. His mother was here. I believe she still might be here. She's indicated to me that there is a family member who may be able to provide a bed for him short term.
Okay. Let me see. I've got an observer that's been watching. Let me see if she's willing to come on the record.
Absolutely. That would be Miss White, Your Honor, the defendant's mother.
All right. Miss White, are you willing to come on record? Unmute yourself if you are.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. I'm assuming you just heard the conversation between myself and Mr. 𝘾𝙤𝙥.
Yes.
All right. So we both have the same concern. Jail's not the best place for him, but it's a better place than the streets. Do you have any suggestions or options?
My sister may be able to take to give Jonathan a bed for a while. My kids, his siblings are afraid of him at the moment.
Right.
So, and my parents, it's not an option anymore. So I
understand.
Yeah, so I can ask my sister and my brother if it's a option.
Okay. Go ahead, Mr.
Judge,
𝘾𝙤𝙥.
would you have any issue with this? I'm going to be in front of you in person in 2 days. If we could possibly, I don't know, adjourn the date until then. I know that might not be practicable, but do something in that regard where I can work with the family and try to get him placement. Or in the alternative, maybe give a sentence today, which would be jail-based, with the expectation that we'd be able to amend it going forward once he's placed. I don't know. I'd prefer to maybe adjourn sentencing.
Okay.
To try to come up with that solution, but not push it too far out at all. I hate to see him sitting in jail.
How do you feel about a 2-day adjournment? We wouldn't necessarily need you.
I have no objection to that, Judge. I trust your discretion and your judgment as to sentencing, so I'm not necessary for that aspect.
All right, so why don't we do that? Why don't we just adjourn this till the 23rd? That gives you a chance to talk to Ms. White, hopefully come up with a plan. My problem is if I sentence him to incarceration until, then I'm leaving it to somebody down at the jail to figure out if that until's been met, and that's just not comfortable for me.
Oh, no, Judge, and as soon as I came out of my mouth, I regretted saying it. So let's strike that from the record because that's not a good idea.
Okay, all right. So let's just adjourn this. We'll sit on the file for 2 days. I'll see you Thursday. Let's put a time on it. Well, can you 8:30 in the morning, because hopefully we can get him on the Zoom from jail at 8:30.
Judge, I'm going to be there all day, so whatever works with the court, whatever's convenient with everybody is fine with me. Mr. Spence,
White, if you want to be here for sentencing, is 8:30 on Thursday work for you?
Yes.
Okay. And you're welcome to come to court if you'd like, ma'am. If not, we'll have you on Zoom again.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Spence, I'm going to be speaking with you this evening, okay? Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
All right, thank you. You understand everything that's going on today?
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Good luck, Mr. Spence. Ms. White, do you have
you.
any questions before I terminate the meeting?
I do not. Thank you.
All right. Thank you for your time, ma'am.
Ms. White, I'll be in touch with you as well. Your Honor, I appreciate your time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Always.
The Sovereign Citizen.